Hey everybody, John Victorino here, and I want to welcome you to the next lesson in our Facebook advertising module. And in this video, we are going to talk about the Facebook Pixel, what it is, and how to install it. Now, the Facebook Pixel is really important in our Facebook advertising efforts just because it allows us to do a couple of things. Number one, it allows Facebook to optimize our ads. So as we drive people from Facebook to our landing page, the more data that we give Facebook, the better our ads are going to perform. And the reason for that is because we're feeding Facebook more and more data, and it's going to tell them, hey, this is what we're looking for. So let's go ahead and find those people and try to bring them back to this landing page. Okay, so that's going to be really important. The next thing is we can track actions on our website. So, for example, let's say we are trying to run a webinar, right? What we can do with a Facebook Pixel is we can track when people go from Facebook, land to on our landing page, and then register for that webinar. And if Facebook sees that action of registering for a webinar as the goal that we're trying to achieve, Facebook is going to find more people that looks like that person that just registered for that webinar and serve them our ads and try to get more people in there. So tracking the actions on the website is going to be really important. And then finally, it allows us to remarket to people that don't convert. So a really good example of this is, and it doesn't happen anymore, but if you have been using Amazon for a long time, it used to be that, let's say I was looking at a pair of shoes on Amazon and I don't buy it. If I go from Amazon to Facebook, I would see that pair of shoes pretty much all across Facebook. And that's what remarketing is we're trying to bring people that didn't convert back to our website so that we can convert them into a customer. And actually, I created this this simple graphic just to show you essentially what we're trying to do here is we're trying to get people from Facebook or Instagram, get them to land on our website, and a portion of these people will become a customer and generate revenue for our business. A piece of them won't, right? And so as they leave our website, we can get in front of them again in Facebook and Instagram and try to bring them back and then try to create a customer. So this graphic right here is essentially what we're trying to do with Facebook and Instagram advertising. So now let's go ahead and go through how to actually set up your Facebook Pixel. So here we are at business.facebook.com. What we're going to do next is just go to that ad account that we set up in our previous lesson. Now, if you didn't set up your ad account yet, go ahead and stop this video, go back to the previous lesson and get that done. So I'm just going to use this sample ad account. Now here on the top left is this button that has the 9 little dots around it. You just click that. Go to Events Manager. And right here under New Data Source, just click that. And then a Facebook Pixel option will pop out. You just click that. Now here you are going to name your pixel. Let's say sample pixel. Now this isn't going to let me do it just because I already have so many pixels on this ad account, but you just click continue. And it'll bring up a window. It'll bring up a window that looks like this. So depending on what your website is built on, whether it's Squarespace, Wix, Weebly, any of those websites, you can actually click this add code using a partner integration and be able to install it. So you just, click this. If you have a WordPress website, you're going to have to manually install it, and you just, let me go back. You just click manually add pixel code to website. Just click this. If you click the code, it'll automatically copy it. So now if we go to our WordPress website, though there's a couple of ways to do this. If you know what you're doing and you can handle the code, you can actually install the code directly into the theme editor, so you won't have to install a plugin. But if you're not that technical with WordPress, you just go to plugins. And what you want to do is install Sogo add script header footer. Okay, and once you get that, you can just go into settings, header footer settings. And then right here under header, you just paste that code that you copied. Click Save Changes. And then you're good to go. Now, again, if you are using something like Squarespace or Weebly, YouTube is going to be your friend here. And what I would just do is search how to add a Facebook pixel to Squarespace 2020. You can do how to add Facebook pixel to Wix 2020, right? Weebly, whatever you're building it on, there's going to be a YouTube video. And just for the sake of time, we're not going to go through each and every platform on here. But this is essentially how you do it for WordPress. So that's it for this video. Your plan of action from here is to go ahead and set up your Facebook pixel. Make sure that is set up, and I will see you at the next video.